Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host, Petalisbless, and I'm coming on today with another glam, nice DIY that we can do for a spring refresh. These are the items we'll be using for today's DIY. So you know what time it is, it's time to let's get started. Okay, I have this small vase that I got from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to use some crushed glass on our vase. And I'll be using some Mod Podge to put down the crushed glass. So we're just going to apply the Mod Podge all over our vase, and then we will start adding the crushed glass. And we're just going to continue this step going right around our vase. Hey everyone, I got some new items in from Beebeecraft and I just wanted to share them with you. I got in some glam sheets and I got them in pink, silver, and another shade of pink. As you could see here, they are lovely. And what I love most about these sheets is they come with a self-adhesive on the back, so it makes it so much easier when you're doing your crafting. I love it. And you can cut them to any size that you want because they come in the big sheets right here. And of course I got my signature glam silver chain. Yes, I can't leave that out. I always get that when I order. Yeah, so I'll leave a link below to Beebeecraft so you guys can go over and check them out and get some of these items for yourself. And as you can see, we are using the pink sheet and also the silver sheet on today's DIY. Okay, I'm going to set this aside to dry for a few hours. Okay, now our crushed glass is all dry. So I'm just going to go over with some more Mod Podge to help seal in the crushed glass so we don't have any that will fall off. Now they do have a spray that you could use to help seal in your crushed glass, a Mod Podge spray, but sprays are not good for me with my lungs, so I rather just seal it over this way. And it works just as good. Okay, now I have this vase here that I got from the dollar store and our pink glam sheet that I cut. I cut strips, and like I said, it has a self-adhesive, so it makes it easier to lay down onto your project. So I'm just going to lay it going right around the vase. Okay, so now we're going to add our silver sheet to our decor, which I cut into strips. And like I said again, they have the self-adhesive on the back. So we're just going to add it to our decor. I love these sheets from Beebeecraft. It makes it so much easier. No glue and all that stuff you need to be working with. I love it. So I'm just going to continue with this pattern going right around our vase. And here's our vase all finished. So now I'm going to add some of my favorite gems from Totally Dazzled. And they come in different colors now. I shared this with you guys before. So I got the pink ones to go with our pink spring decor vase. So I'm just using some hot glue and glue them onto the vase. And now I'm just going to take our two pieces using some E6000 and glue them together. Here's our finished look. A quick and easy and fun to do spring decor idea using the Glam items from Beebeecraft. I love them. I think it makes a lovely spring refresh for your home this spring. And here we go with some the Dollar Tree tea lights inside and also flowers. I think it makes a beautiful centerpiece for your home, for your table, anywhere you want to place it throughout your home. It could be used as an accent piece all by itself, or just like this as a lovely centerpiece. I love how it turns out, and I liked it with the lights inside also. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's DIY. And if you're new here, like I said before, welcome. And I hope you do hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. And to my oldies and my goodies, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY I had to share with you today. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.